Hey, this is Ben. Thanks for watching the trailer for the Isometric 3 icon set. So please feel free to check out the link in the description to download all the files that you needed for the project. All these files, including the Illustrator file, the After Effects files, and you can even preview it in your browser with the HTML file. So maybe later on I will also film another video to show you how to integrate with the Low-T plugin by Airbnb so that you can use all the animations in your web applications or even mobile applications. Please thumbs up for this video if you want me to create more icons or animation graphics for you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next episode.